Đi con mẹ kéo đi.
Wow.
Welcome to Chloe Toys Review. Hi Chloe! Hi! Where are we at today? Yeah, we're so high up in the apartment building balcony. We're going to see the fireworks. It's New Year's Eve. Look at how many people there on the beach. Over here. It's a bit scary. It's so high up here. Look at this. Oh. Well, look at the people. There's so many people. Look at that. Can you see it? Oh, wow. This is so exciting. We got about 20 minutes to go. It's so high up here. Look at the view. There's a lot of pretty lights. Yeah, be careful. Yeah, we're right next to the beach. We're at Surfers Paradise, Gold Coast.
You like it?
Yeah.
Super fun.
Happy New Year, Chloe!
Yeah.
You gonna say Happy New Year to everyone?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching!
Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please click like button below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time! Bye bye! Thanks for watching. To subscribe, please click on the logo under the arrow sign. Or click on one of these pictures to watch some more. See you next time.